Yeah, hi, we are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT-based underground cable fault detection using Arduino and ESP82 Wi-Fi module. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and it gives to Arduino Uno R3 board, and ESP8266 Wi-Fi module we are using. It works under 11,520 baud rate, and those are connected with RX, TX 0 and 1. And 16 cross 2 LC display, it is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. And we are using three relay coils. Those are connected with 5, 6, 7 red LED cable fault, and yellow cable fault, and green cable called red LED 1, LED 2, LED 3. And red cable, those are connected with A0, A1, A2, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. Yellow cable 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, A3, A4, A5. Green cable fault 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 2, 3, 4. Those are connected with GPIO general purpose input output pin numbers. And this is our block diagram of the project. And here we are using one IoT web page, login credential already given to you. Okay, so red cable fault, yellow cable fault, and green cable fault login details are given. So it requires mobile hotspot internet. Go to first mobile data on, mobile internet on, and as well as Wi-Fi hotspot on. So here Wi-Fi hotspot should be off, then Wi-Fi hotspot on. Username is project, SSID or username. Project configuration is project 1234. Then done. Hotspot is done. Okay, so it will show you the device name. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, 1 ampere power source. So it gives to bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 780 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here we are using 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. And here using ESP8 Wi-Fi ESP8266 module. It requires mobile hotspot internet. Username is project, password 1234. Device name is already shown. So project 1234. Device name is ESP-A3DCC9. So red cable, yellow cable, and green cable. R1, R2, R3, Y1, Y2, Y3, G1, G2, G3. If anything should be all fault, relay, SPDT relay, single pole double through relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the indicators. Suppose red 2 kilometer fault. Okay, after every it is sending the data to server. Okay, after every 2 seconds it will send the data to LCD, and as well as red cable fault. Okay, go to our web page. If after every 2 counts, or every 1 to 2 minutes, it will update the data to the server using Wi-Fi hotspot to the mobile data to the Wi-Fi web page. So whenever it is sending the data, it will update the data onto the server. Okay, 2 kilometer fault. Then go to 1 kilometer, R1, G3, then okay, so it will update. Now it is updating the data. Once it is updating success, then it will come back to the main position. Yellow cable fault and a red cable fault. Yellow cable 1 kilometer and green cable 3 kilometer. So now red cable 1 kilometer and a red cable 3 kilometer. 1,3 should be fault. 1,3 fault. Yellow 1 cable fault and green 3 kilometer fault. So after every 10 counts of data, it will check whether any fault occurred. It will wait some time. If anything should be fault, and it will update the data onto the server. Every time it will take 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is updated. R1 1 kilometer 3 kilometer, 1 kilometer 3 kilometer, green cable 1 kilometer, green cable 1 kilometer, yellow cable 3 kilometer, 1 2, okay, 3 is the fault. So here 3 LED indicators, 1,3 fault, 1,3 fault. Now everything should be comes stationary position. Okay, everything should be in the stationary position. Now if everything should be okay, after every 50 counts completed, it will check one by one. Now it will send the data to server with Wi-Fi mobile hotspot internet to the IoT web server. So this is our block diagram of the project. Okay, red cable okay, yellow cable okay, green cable okay. Now go to third kilometer, second kilometer, first kilometer. 3 2 1. 3 kilometer fault, 2 kilometer fault, 1 kilometer fault. 3 2 1. 3 LEDs on, red cable fault, yellow cable fault, green cable fault. After every 50 counts checking whether anything should be problem, Wi-Fi model will send the data to mobile hotspot internet to the mobile data to the IoT web page. It will update every 50 counts. It will check for one minute, minimum time 1 minute. Once anything should be happen in between, after second minute it will send the data to server. So third kilometer fault, second kilometer fault, first kilometer fault. 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer. And power supply board, 16x2 LCD display, R1, R2, R3, Y1, Y2, Y3, G1, G2, G3, A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, relay 1, relay 2, relay 3. Red cable fault, yellow cable fault, green cable fault. Wi-Fi ESP8266. So after checking each and every loop, once it is everything should be okay, it will update okay. After second minute it will send the data to server using Wi-Fi mobile data. Okay, now it is updated. Red cable okay, green cable okay, or yellow cable okay, green cable okay. Thank you all.